People today took out mass rally expressing their discontent over the killing of innocent civilians in Jiribam district by Kuki militants. The mass rally was jointly organized by All Manipur United Club Organization Amuco, Manipur Students Federation MSF, Poirei Leimarol Apunba Maira Paivi Manipur and All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association Amawova. It started from Kwakaithel and proceeded towards Kaishampa Junction before they were stopped by security personnel. Speaking on the sideline, the president of Amuco, Nando Luang, condemned senior SP combat Nectar Sanjinbam for allegedly using brute forces against protesters in Jiribam, which led to the death of one protester. While demanding action against Nectar Sanjinbam, Nando Luang also questioned the ineffective role of security advisor Kuldeep Singh while handling the Manipur crisis. While condemning the reimposition of Armed Forces Special Powers Act, Nando Luang maintained that the draconian law was brought in to misdirect the ongoing crisis and also to rein in village volunteers who are defending against a constant aggression carried out by Kuki militants. Meanwhile, speaking on the sideline, President of Amawova, Kunjarani, termed the killing of innocent women and children in Jiribam as an act of terrorism. While indicating hands of center in instigating Kuki militants to wage war on Meitei community, Kunjarani stressed on the need for Meitei community to be cautious and to make concerted efforts to protect themselves. On the other hand, speaking to media on the sideline of the protest rally, General Secretary of Poirei Leimarol Apunba Maira Paibi Manipur, Thongam Apabi Leima accused center of waging proxy war in Manipur. The condition in the state has not improved even after 18 months. However, instead of addressing the core issue, center has brought back Afspa in the state. A public meeting was also held at Kwakaithel Kamleikai Community Hall following the rally.
Ngasi Manipur tholiba khoi pam da thongdok sing ase Bharat Sarkar na atamna thonba Bharat Sarkar tholiba thongdok sing manungda khoi gi mioi kya thawai na pikam nan ba mioi kya sonba mioi kya gi yum mai chan badana tana phong chana Jiribam gi chokoya roda nupi ngang taruk phana pukanda madu halaga hundomba masigumba mayam yaninga badu yamadi khoi Manipur gi miyam na matam changna sahi diket kya changna Manipur da Afspa tamba yaningde harjo lawdo lakngai marakta matam gara amuk Manipur gi police station na kon ma batra te na kon makhum dagi lokthom matung da amuk nauna police station tawna kon ba mafam damu Afspa thamjala pase masi khwaidagi suna daba hawjik thoi bi irang asigi marakta miyam na wari matukda amuk na wahan bagi thongdo wamane na khoi logjaba madugi yaning daba phongdo poina khoi miyam na khoi lup mayam na chinjaraga khoi lady si chajabani ngasi ba ga tholi ba tongkok se Bharat Sarkar di khoi cinema drama film mamagumna yenga lebadon tawriba madudi khoi akut bada leiko waiba pawrong gini singai aduna madu Bharat Sarkar na Manipur gi miyam je yeng mi ngasi sanga de yengadaba adugo jangan le batam thiba sam de yengadaba mi do yengi akhoi si Bharat ki citizen ama oina udabagi mong do khamjina yaning de
Manipur se da Indiana yengwa mi yengja khudaktagi lepiu adugo laba Indiana insanba terrorist hinduna akhoi misam halale tapakta Afspa thamjale aduga Manipur gi dat lairiba Meitei singja muthanna ba selaiba Manipur muthanna ba selaiba asigumla ba India gi thorang ase khudakta lepiu aduna akhoi miyam da hajaning badi akhoi se missing na singna miyang amata da yengaga akhoi isana isabu sunja langjara kanda akhoi kanagi chu mi pan tang dana akhoi iromdom lepsaba ngamna ba akhoi khudimangna buna honna minasi ngasigi lengak leitaba sa manare mana tawning ba tawre aduna lengak le haibagi akhoi thajaba leitare Kuki na lai horok pa matam sida ngasi India government na una usna da saraga Meitei khata atam na lan tara ise proxy war ne har se Manipur miyam na loina khangi proxy war gi masamana India ne har se Manipur miyam na khamna lairabani adugi mathakta leptana chathai ba sahi ani thaning je changal haba lan sida ngase na Armed Forces Power Act thamjalakan Manipur miyam mu hada basilak lebase Manipur da lalhawan nam thana bagi namada ngase Manipur gi isa iso miyam ma sailai ba pon sida lelei kaya ma phagra da thiba phangude kaya amana asiba haksang oina asigumba asungana tantriban maliangi miyam nam draconian law haidana setkana talaba mutakka bani haidana court ki order sileba asiba bosa mamu amung hana ta nauna thamdalak ba habese uche thawaidana manipur miyam gi mating khangdaba india na ngasi sangthalak bani habese ai ta sangna hanyangi songya yare manipur miyam gi singli da I seleng da manipur thugai ba se yare mutak ba se yare